Hi viewers, welcome to Gani's YouTube channel. I would like to inform you, I have launched a new course especially for beginners. This is the PDF file. In this PDF we have 55 pages and we have 33 number of tutorials in single PDF. If you want this PDF for practice purpose, please join my channel and take a screenshot and send to my email address. I will provide the email address on the screen and description. I brought this PDF. In this PDF, all tutorial material is available, step-by-step process and everything. So in this tutorial, I'm going to explain you. This is the second tutorial, Tekla structure for beginners tutorial 2. In this tutorial, I'm going to explain you mouse options in Tekla structure model. So open the Tekla structure model. In the previous tutorial, I have explained how to set up the Tekla structure tutorial 1. Please check out. And in this tutorial, I'm going to explain you mouse options. So open Tekla structure model. First is the rotation option. In this rotation, you can use the control and mouse middle button or scroll button. Just hold the control and mouse middle button and rotate like this about. You can see this rotation point at the middle of this model like this. This is the rotation. Hold the control and mouse middle button or scroll button, press it and scroll it like this. Now coming to the second option, we have pan. Use the only mouse middle button. You can see, use the only mouse middle button to pan it like this, side by side or up and down. Now coming to the third option, zoom in and zoom out. Use the scroll button and zoom in for forward wheel and zoom out for backward wheel rotation of the mouse like this. If you wanted to rotate about a particular point, use the option Control R and pick the rotation point here, and you can rotate about this particular point like this. Okay, that's it about how to create. Okay, that's it about how to use mouse options in Tekla structure models. If you have any doubts, please comment below. For more Tekla structure related videos, please join my channel and please subscribe my channel also. Okay, thank you.